so this pattern called for multiple of 6, but for some reason, I don't know why, but you need to start out with 7 chains. So you're going to do 7 chains, and then you're going to go 6 plus 6 plus 6 until you reach your desired width. So once you've done that, then you're going to add 3 more chains. And then what you're going to do is going to do 2 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, so this is over here. So 1, 2, then you're going to skip 5 chains. I went ahead and counted because it's just hard for me to see, especially with white. So you're going to, you're going to chain 4. You're going to skip 5 chains, and in the 6th chain, you're going to do 5 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 4. And then again, skip 5 chains. And in the 6th chain, you're going to do 5 double crochets. And that is your foundation row. Skip another 5 chain. Oh, sorry, keep forgetting. Do 4 chains first. Then on the 6th chain, you're going to do your other 5 double crochets. Yeah, that's on this one. Then you're going to do another 4 chains. And then you should have 2 chains left. On the very last chain, you're going to do 3 double crochets. Oops. My yarn split there. It's kind of, the beginning of this one, it's kind of hard to keep it straight. Okay. Okay, so that's your foundation row. It should look something like this. Sorry, my dogs are sleeping and they're making funny noises. Okay, so row number 2, you're going to chain up 3. And one of my dogs is snoring. I'm gonna have to wake him up and warm him up. Okay, so you're gonna chain up 3. And in this chain 4 space, you're going to do 3 double crochets. It shouldn't be this. This is kind of a, it's kind of a rough yarn. So maybe if you just, there. I just pull on it a little bit, it'll just straighten it. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna do 3 double crochets. You're gonna chain 3. And then do another 3 double crochets in that same space. Then you're gonna jump to the next chain 4 space and do the same thing. 3 double crochets. And then chain 3. And then another 3 double crochets. And that's what you're going to do for row number 2. On all the 4 chain spaces, you're going to do the 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. Okay, so here at the end, you should do the same in the last chain 4 space, and then you're going to do a double crochet on the top of this chain 3 right here. There you go. And that's row number 2. So what you're going to notice is that this part right here is going to be the same on every row. Not the same, like it's going to be row 2 and row 4 are going to be the same. Row 3 and row 5 are going to be the same. The only thing that changes is how it ends and how it begins. Okay, so that's row number 2. So for row number 3, you're going to chain up 6. And then in this chain 3 space, you're going to do 5 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 4. And then again, jump to this chain 3 space and do 5 double crochets. Oh my goodness. Sorry about the doggy noises. Okay, so chain 4. And then next chain 3 space, you're going to do the same, 5 double crochets. And that's what you're going to do for the row number 3. So chain 4, we're almost at the end of this. So I'm going to do my last 5 double crochets here. And then what you're going to do at the end is you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to do a treble on top of this chain right here. Triple crochet. There you go. Okay, so that is row number 3. Row number 4, you're going to chain up 5. Then in this right here, this chain 1 space, you're going to do, oh, sorry, my phone rang. So you would do, was that, oh, 3 double crochets, this one. Then you're going to jump into this chain 4 space. And then you're going to do your 3 double crochets. Chain 3. And then 3 double crochets. So this is a repeat of row number 3. So that's what you're going to do. And all in the chain 4 spaces, you're going to do your 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. Okay, so on this very last space, you're going to do 3 double crochets. And then you're going to chain 1 and then do a double crochet on top of the chain 3. Like this. So that's row number 4. So row number 5 is going to be a repeat of row number 3. So you're going to chain up 3. And then in this chain 1 space, you're going to do 2 double crochets. Okay, I had to get one of my dogs out of the office because he was just snoring and stuff. Okay, so yeah, the 2 double crochets in that chain 1 space, and then you're going to chain 4, and then jump into the chain 3 space, and then you're going to do your 5 double crochet. Oops. Let me try to do this. Maybe I'm going too fast. and then chain 4, and then again. You're going to do this again on the chain 3 space. Just do the 5 double crochets, chain 4, and then you do your 5 double crochets, and that's it. That is the pattern. So the pattern is a repeat of rows 2 to 5. It's pretty easy. So chain 4, and then here on the very last one, you're going to do 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space below. So find your chain 3, not chain 3 space, sorry, the chain 3. So, and then again another. So that's what. So that's it. That is the pattern. It's pretty easy. You just need to remember how each row starts and row ends. So just to start. So then you start with row number 2. So you just chain 3, turn your work, and then in this chain 4 space, you do your 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets, and that's it. That is the pattern. Easy, relaxing. That's pretty. So you won't need, depending on what you're making, if you're making a wrap, a scarf, you won't need that much yarn, but making a blanket, not that much, I wouldn't think. Because it's still more like it's an open pattern. So that's it. That's it. Again, you repeat rows 2 to 5. And I don't have anything else. So anyway, please feel free to email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.